Hey all, Rusty RVerTV, welcome. Check this out. Portable power station by Bluetti. It's our AC50. It's got a MPPT controller built into it. This thing is a power horse. 500 watt hour. They sent it to me review. I'm gonna review it. Matter of fact, I used the heck out of these things, especially in the van. And voila, here it is out of the box. Yay! Check it out. Well-built unit. I like the color. Great. Got 4 USBs and a USB-C outlets right there. 2 110 outlets. 300 watts. It's got the 2 DC outs, 3 amp. Then you got your 12 volt plug here, like a cigarette plug, cigarette lighter plug. All right there. You know, these units, they're almost priceless, these portable generators. You really need them. And this is well built. Check it out. It's even got a wireless charger for cell phones on top. 10 watt. We'll try it here in a little bit. I need to plug it in, get it charged up, and then we'll play with it. I've been running my laptop off this. It holds power for hours before I have to recharge. It does very, very well. Okay, I set this up for you guys. That's my portable solar panel. That one's only 80 watt, but it's good enough to test this thing. Because the Bluetti comes with a cable for solar. You can hook it right in. Just plug it in, hook it straight to your panel or your solar system. Right now I got this whole house fan running on medium. I know it doesn't look like it's spinning. It is spinning hard. That's the camera frames. But with all the plugs, look at them all. You don't get that many on any other model that's out there. Also, this has a MPPT controller in it. Pure sine wave. Look how the digital flashes with the camera. It's really on solid. That's the frames of the camera. Let me turn the power off. The fan's dying down. It'll quit. Also, I have a light, LED 110 light here. We're going to hook up together. Alright, turn it back on. Fan just kicked on. You can see her spinning. And the light's on. So now we got, this is what I did at the van build. Had this light and a fan going at the same time. Plus the laptop. And I had it on for over 4 hours and it still wasn't running out of juice. I finally went to bed. Another cool thing too is watch this with the phone. Blink. It's charging as soon as I turn it on. Hear it? Now it's charging. Perfect. Wireless charging. 10 watt wireless charger. Just lay your phone on it. Don't need the cords. So if you're camping, fishing, RVing, emergency, if you're in an emergency situation, can't run a generator, just want some power, this thing will last for hours and hours. You can run small appliances like the fan, TVs, everything off. It's 500 watt hour. Plus you can plug it into your solar if you have it. If not, run it off the cigarette lighter of your car. You can charge it that way. Or off household circuit, the 110 volt or solar. Charge it up 3 ways. Oh, almost forgot. Let me move my phone here. I want to show you the light. Check out this LED light on the back. The other night at the van build, this lit up the whole inside of the van. Watch. Oof. Look at it. Look how long it is. Big. It's not a harsh light. And it dims. And with the length of it, the whole thing lit up the whole van. Very happy with it. Highly recommend this one. Bluetti AC50. So I'll fire up the computer. We'll get on their website. I'll show you their website, their other products. They're offering money off to get one. You can own one. Make a great gift. It's good for tailgating, camping. Once again, everything. If you need power, I mean, this is the way to go nowadays. Look, all them people in the fires, when they started turning off the power, they could have used these. At least you could run your laptop, your cell phones, and a light. Emergency. Anything. So, all right, let's go ahead and get on computer. Be right back. All right, here we go. It's Maxoak.net is their website. Look at all the batteries they have. Remember, they got the MPPT controller in them too. They're going for C-packs, card jump, everything. These guys are definitely in the battery business. Anyway, check it out. Maxoak.net. Gives you company description, their products, new releases, support, blog, online shopping. But on the shopping now, they gave me a discount code. You guys can get $75 off if you want one of these AC50s. I will put that link down in the description. Also, they are on Facebook, Maxoak Direct. Check them out on Facebook or on their website. Be sure to click that Amazon link and save some bucks if you want to get one of these. Everyone's getting them now. I see them all over, RVs, vans, everywhere. Tailgaters, you name it, you got it. All right. Well, I'm very happy with this Bluetti AC50 of mine. I'll be using it for a long, long time. All right. Talk soon.